Hello everyone, I am Kirtan, currently pursuing my MBA in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today let us discuss on industrial relations and legislation. First, let us know about the industrial relations. Industrial relations refers to the relationship between employers, employees and the government. It encompasses the collective bargaining process and workspace dynamics. Understanding industrial relations is essential for fostering a cooperative work environment. Key players in industrial relations. The primary players in industrial relations include employers, employee, and trade unions. Each player has distinct interests and roles that impact workplace. Effective communication among these players is crucial for resolving disputes. And let us know about importance of trade unions. Trade unions represent the collective interests of workers in negotiations with employers. They play a vital role in advocating for workers' rights and fair working conditions. Union membership can enhance job security and improve wage level of employees. Collective bargaining is a process where workers and the union negotiate employment terms with employers. The goal is to come an agreement that improves working conditions and benefits for employees. The steps in the process are information sharing before negotiations, workers and employers share information, consultation, workers and employers consult each other, and the joint assessments. It means the workers and employers jointly assess the situation. Negotiations. Negotiations means workers and employers negotiate on issues like pay, hours, benefits and working conditions. And last one is agreement. Agreement means if an agreement is reached, a collective bargaining agreement is signed. Implementation. The agreement is to put into practice. And a dispute resolution is if an agreement can't be reached, the parties can use mediation, arbitration, or a strike or lockout. Benefits of collective bargaining are collective bargaining can lead to higher wages, better benefits, and safer workplaces. International recognition. The right to collective bargaining is recognized in the international human rights conventions. Types of industrial relations systems. Industrial relation systems can be categorized as pluralist, unitarist, or radial. Pluralist system recognize the legitimacy of both employer and employee interests. Unitarist system emphasizes a harmonious workspace with a single focus on organizational goals. And the legislation plays a crucial role in industrial relations by establishing a legal framework that regulates the relationship between the employers and employee, ensuring the fair labor practices and promoting industrial places. And some more of detailed role of legislation are setting a legal framework. Setting a legal framework means regulating the employee relationships, defines the rights and responsibilities of both employers and employee, covering aspects like hiring, firing, working hours, and wages and benefits. Protecting workers' rights. Labor laws ensure fair treatment, protect against discrimination, and guarantee fundamental rights like freedom of associations and collective bargaining. Promoting industrial peace. Promoting industrial peace means it is a legal framework for resolving disputes. Legislation helps to prevent and manage industrial conflicts, fostering a more stable and productive work environment. And the next one is ensuring fair labor practices. It means the laws addresses issues such as working conditions, safety, and health, aiming to create the better and more equitable workplace for employees. Addressing specific issues like trade union rights. It means the legislation often grants trade unions the right to organize bargaining collectively and represent workers' interests. Dispute resolution. Laws establish mechanisms for resolving industrial disputes through mediation and other procedures. Major legislation impacting industrial relations. It means the key legislation includes the National Labour Relations Act and the Fair Labour Standards Act. The laws establish rights related to union formation and minimum wage standards. Understanding relevant legislation helps organizations navigate compliance issues. Conflict resolution in industrial relations. Conflict resolution in industrial relations can arise from the disputes over wages, working conditions, or policies. Effective resolution mechanisms include mediation and negotiation. A protective approach to conflict resolution can prevent strikes and labor unrest. Global trends in industrial relations are like industrial relations practices vary significantly across different countries and cultures. Globalization has influenced the labor market and increased the need for multinational agreements. Emerging trends include the rise of gig economy workers and evolving labor rights. Future of industrial relations and legislation. The future of industrial relations will likely be shaped by technological advancement and changing workforce demographics, and legislations may evolve to address a new form of employment and worker protections. Ongoing dialogue among stakeholders will be crucial for adapting to these changes.